What's good? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. Today we're going to be doing my hair. I'm going to get my locks done today. Today is actually marking 4 months. Woo! So 4 months locked up, y'all, and I actually have been feeling more free than I've ever felt. So 4 months locked, best feeling ever. And today I'm gonna be getting my hair retwisted. I think I'm gonna have her do some barrel twists just to keep it back for maybe a couple weeks, and just so I don't have to do anything to my hair for when I'm in uniform or anything. So I think I'm gonna do some barrel twists today, and I'm not gonna take my camera into the beauty salon today. I actually am going to just show you guys how my hair looks when I get done. What time is it? It's actually 2:04 and my appointment's at 2, so I'm gonna end this intro here and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Bye. So guys, I'm back and I look like a boy. No, I like it. I just have to get used to it. I really like it. I like it. It's like in 2 barrel twists, and I'm driving while I'm videotaping, so don't judge me. I'm on the way home. It's like hella traffic, so I just figure I show you guys how my hair is looking. But it's really cute. It's gonna be good for like my uniform, when I wear my uniform, and it's actually, I'll be in regulations for once, you know. And she definitely slayed me like she always does. Look how the parts is looking though. She was slaying the parts. But yeah, this is my 4-month lock update, y'all. Makai is actually getting his hair done tomorrow by the same lady. She's gonna retwist his dreads, and he's gonna get his sides cut up and everything. So I'm gonna vlog tomorrow as well. So it's gonna be like me and Makai, we're both getting our hair done. Shai got his hair cut, thank you Jesus, because he was looking crazy. He looks real good, and I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. And I'll catch y'all up later.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, buddy. Oh, wow. Whoa. Tight. Are y'all still in first place?
Yeah.
That's awesome, buddy. Look at your hair. What happened to all the rubber bands in your hair?
I took them off.
Why? Makai, next time I put rubber bands in your head, don't take them off. Y'all, we just made it to the barber shop, and we was crossing the street, because like you gotta cross the street like from there to over here, and like everybody was staring at me. It was weird. And then I was like, and then I got in here and I was like, we don't have no mask on. Like me or Makai, neither one of us had a mask on. It's quite embarrassing. I just wanted to let y'all know that. But he's sitting and waiting because the barber is still doing somebody else. His hair looks crazy. Look at his hair. But yeah, we're at the barber shop, and he's gonna get his hair cut first, and then he's gonna get his dreads retwisted. So I'm gonna vlog that as well. But yeah, that was embarrassing. I was like, everybody was staring at me at the stoplight when I was about to cross. Everybody was just like, just staring. I was just like, what is going on? And I came and sat in the barbershop. Neither one of us had a mask on. Like, and that's why the barbershop was staring at me when the barber, he was staring at me when I first came in. He was probably like, what's going on with her? No mask, no attempt to put a mask on. That was embarrassing, but he gave us a mask, so there you go. But I'm gonna catch you guys up when he gets his hair done. See you in a sec. That looks good, buddy.
Hey, look at that.
That looks awesome. Bouncy. How much I owe you? Alright. It's nice and bouncy, huh?
Where you learn to crack so good?
To what so good?
Crack. Jokes.
Oh, him?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know. He was joking with you?
He gives me the business.
Yeah, I heard him talking your ear off up there. Probably his dad. His dad is a funny guy.
Okay.
Yeah. We gotta go next door and get your dreads done now. Oh, Makai, it'll be fast. I promise.
Well, hello, handsome. How are you? I'll be right with you.
How you doing? Good to see you.
Good to see you again, too. I'll be right with you, honey.
All right.
Oh, this hair's gonna be fun.
Okay.
So busy.
Good job, buddy. Oh wow. Get him, Makai. You remember all the moves. Oh, I seen that. Good kick. Handstand, that's what that was? You falling asleep, Makai? So good, huh? Shampoo's are the best. Yeah, they sure are.
This hair looks clean. Yes, Makai.
Feel good? Got a little tingle to it?
It looks so good and healthy.
Yes, his hair is very healthy. Come with me, hon.
Go ahead. You gotta go potty, buddy? No. You don't? Okay, good. So cute.
Keep your head down, buddy. Turn your tablet back on. You don't want to? You're on the video crying. You gonna be on the video crying, buddy? Oh, poor thing. Good job. Let me see the side. So good so far. It looks so nice. What's that? I'm glad it stopped raining.
See, buddy? Okay. You feel better? Now that you're done?
Yeah.
What do you want to eat? Chinese? We had Chinese already. We had Chinese already. Remember we had shrimp fried rice? His eyes all puffed up. Oh, buddy. Oh, man. Oh, buddy.
Hey, Mom, let's make some popsicles.
You want to make popsicles? We got to get the ingredients.
He's almost done, y'all. He made it through. Oh dang, he was crying the whole time. But he made it through.
Look at the buddies. He's almost done. He's so over this. This is why I never get his hair done. Sit still, she's doing the video. Sit still.
Yeah, I'm about to get you on Instagram. You're about to be famous.
Looking so mean.
didn't get barrels. That looks nice like that. Yes, it does. Looks very nice.
Alright. You are done.
Done, buddy.
Handsome.
His eyes popped out of his head. He's like, yeah.
We're good.
Ooh.
Wait.
Wow.
Yeah. You're welcome.
You like it? You look like your dad when you said that. Yeah. Yeah, when you said that. Alright, you too. Bye-bye. Bye, D. You look awesome, dude. Is it cold out? Go. You look so cute. Look at him. You look like a little man. Oh, I'm gonna take pictures when we get home. Oh, it tells us when we can walk. You can see the thing, the light, with the red hand. It's gonna tell us to walk. See the orange hand?
The red hand.
Is it orange or red? Like a little bit of both.
It's red.
Yeah. You look so nice, buddy.
So still
Y'all, we're finally done. We're finally done. Makai made it out alive.
Yeah,
Alive and handsome. A chica what?
Chica rocker.
He made it out, y'all. He looks so handsome.
Oh yeah.
Look at him.
And now I'm about to watch my tablet.
And eat your Cheeto Puffs.
Yeah.
All right, so that was our vlog for the day. Makai's hair is done. My hair is done. And we're headed home. We're gonna go make some dinner, and I'm gonna take a few pictures of his hair when he gets home.
And we're gonna make some popsicles and freeze pops.
Okay, we're gonna make some popsicles. His papa gave us some little popsicle mold things, so we're gonna make some. But we might not have the ingredients, buddy. So we might make them this weekend. Ooh, but I have drill this weekend, so maybe on Tuesday. But we're headed home, y'all. Say goodbye to the vlog, buddy.
Bye, vlog.
Bye, vlog. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Okay. All right, bye, y'all.